Alright everybody, I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is going to include painting the trailer, building the floor, building some walls, installing some windows, and then framing out the roof. If you like what you see, be sure to like the video, leave a comment, tell me what you like, leave a comment, tell me what you don't like. Any questions, leave them in there. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. And the sponsor of today's video is actually myself. This is my company, it's called You Good Co. I make a lot of really cool designs, and the link will be in the description so you guys can go check that out and help support me. Since I do not make any money off YouTube, it would be great if you guys could head over there, buy a sticker. They're like $5. It would help out a lot. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so here is your first look at the floor of the camper. It is handicap platforms that is going to have insulation on top, and then I'm going to be using this fiberglass reinforced plastic, also known as FRP, and that is going to go on top of this and serve as the bottom layer that will be facing the ground. So this will all be flipped over, and then the underside of it will be the floor of the camper. All right, everyone, so here's the final look at the floor. Once again, everything is going to be flipped over. This is going to be the road facing side. These are the edges here, all capped out. Everything's double screwed, sealed on this edge, sealed on this edge, all the way down. This is that second smaller portion. Everything's all one big solid piece. Got some insulation under this piece, spray foam insulation along all the air gaps to try to seal this up, as much as we can. So this will probably be my last update until we get this flipped around and then start screwing in the bottom side here, and then we will move it out to the trailer and figure out a way to get it mounted to the trailer, and then it's all up from there, literally. All we have to do is, once it's flipped over, add in a big stud on each corner, and then we'll be taking plywood, making the walls, tie them to the studs, tied to the floor, and then it's all up from there. So yeah, pretty happy with how this turned out, and I'll see you guys with the next update. This right here is the finished paint job of the trailer. I will throw in some videos and pictures from when I was actually doing the painting, doing the sanding, getting everything prepped and ready, and then some in-between pictures of it. But as you can see, I used the Herculiner roll-on bed liner, and it actually turned out really good. I'm super happy with it. Eventually I'll take this part off here and I'll finish painting up there, but as you can see, it's got a lot of good texture on it. I have to peel off the stickers for the VIN number and stuff, but yeah, that is the finished, completely painted, ready to go trailer. All right, so big update, big change. The floor is mounted onto the trailer. It's connected right here with these aluminum plates, which are bolted into the trailer and then self-tapped in 9 different places along this side. And then in the front, it's the same thing. Behind the box here, it's the same exact thing mounted there. So yeah, it wasn't that hard. It didn't take too long to do. It was just big and cumbersome, and just had to take my time and just do everything bit by bit, and turned out really good. So the next step is going to be putting the post on the corner here and then attaching those, and then we'll be getting the walls done, and then it'll be pretty simple from there. Just once you get the posts on, connect the walls to it, put a roof, and then you're good. Alright guys, this is going to be the last episode 3 update. Once again, if you like what you're seeing me wear, it is a part of my brand. Make sure to check the link in the description, and without further ado, I'm going to swing you guys around and show you where we are. Alright, so as you guys can see, we've made a lot of progress on the camper. We've got the walls halfway done, we've got a roof halfway done, everything is getting ready to be put together. There's going to be a dividing wall right here, there's going to be a countertop for cooking, there's going to be a little roof hatch right here. Like I said, it's going to be the last update in this episode. I want to start to finish things up in the next episode. Hopefully in the next episode we'll have the entire structure and walls done. I'm going to be ordering a mattress, I'm going to be ordering a fan, I'm going to be ordering all kinds of fun stuff for this project, and I'm really excited, and Like I said, if you guys want to support the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment about anything you like, anything you dislike. Let me know. If you've stayed this long, I'm sure you've got some opinions, and go ahead and leave them in the comments down there. Like I said, if you want to support me, go over to the website in the description. It would help out a lot, and get something cool. There's plenty of designs, something for everyone. And with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.